Alright. I figured, hold on. Oh, okay. I figured, show some new stuff I got. It's nothing really great or anything, but I figured I'll show them off anyway, right? Okay. So I picked up this Harbor Freight chop saw. It works good, okay, I guess. To me, I think it could cut a little faster. It's a little slow, but I also don't want to force it. Of course, I picked up some of the chop saw blades. I probably should have not used their brand, but I've never actually had that much problem with their brand cutoff wheels. Be careful what you're doing and not forcing stuff. They're free screwdrivers. I've never actually used their screwdrivers, but it was a free deal. And people come out here all the time and grab my screwdrivers. So if they take them, I don't care, and don't bring them back, I don't care. Another free screwdriver. And this was in the other set. What else did I get? Oh, I got a new square over here, hanging up. Got me a whole collection going over here. Never have too many. Need to pick up more tape measures. I'm down to one cheap tape measure. But we also, y'all probably wondering where the video is. We also picked this motor up to put on the Husqvarna, but the shaft is too small. The shaft on that thing is like a 1 inch, and that's like 7/8. So it would need an adapter to make work possibly. So I'll get an adapter and try again. If not, I'll put the engine over on something else. I did break a bolt off into the mountain hoe, so I had to drill that out. That sucks, but it happens. Oh, I got my first sticker in from Captain Jerk. Press that in more. I need to get him his stickers mailed out. I actually got a whole stack of packages and mail out to people, but I've been waiting for customers to pick up their stuff. I gotta buy hay and everything, and they just ain't picking up their stuff. I figured we'd go look at the trailer, because the trailer's got another Harbor Freight buy on it. I mean, I don't buy everything Harbor Freight. I like Gear Wrench and other brands. I got some Snap-on stuff. I got some Cornwell stuff. It all has its place. Anyway, I put this jack on this trailer today. Let's see if y'all can see it down there. So yeah, I put this jack on there. So now it has a jack. It's one of those weld-on jacks, but it's got a welder, so it don't really matter. I don't know if I showed y'all this or not. I think I have. But we actually got a weed eater rack. I was going to build one, but honestly, this was on Amazon for $44. I couldn't build one that cheap, probably. Maybe, but. And then this right here was on the other trailer, and it's my water cooler holder I made for the other trailer, but I put it over onto this because this is going to be our landscape trailer, because it was a pain to take a 16-foot trailer into a crowded neighborhood and find a place to park it. So we got this little 4x7, 4x6, which fits the walk behind and the push mower. This is the push mower actually that we're trying to put the engine over on, but the shaft's too big on the old one, so the adapter ain't gonna work. But that's pretty much it. There's that tractor over there that my buddy bought. The starter's locked up, that's for sure. We thought it was just jumper cables, but I came out here yesterday with a jump box and just hit it and it won't turn over. The engine's kind of tight too. I told him since it's set for 8 years to pull these pull these spark plugs out and put a little bit of oil down in those cylinders, let it set a little while. That helps some. Sometimes at this point the engine's probably best off being rebuilt. You probably don't want to go through that, but whatever. That was the shredder that came with it. That's the disc for 4-mile Cub, which is getting loaded on that trailer and going Thursday to Ray's. Y'all know him as Texas Keymaster. We're going to put a clutch on it, rebuild the hydraulics because it's leaking bad, and we're going to listen to that final drive. I know they're supposed to be a little noisy, but that's really noisy to me. I think I need to pull those pans off, drain that fluid out, and put some new gaskets and fresh fluid on there. But yeah, that's what I got going on right now. So if y'all ain't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and thank y'all for watching.